Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize that little screen on the back of your phone. So if we go back to our phone, we can go to the settings and then go to quick view display, and then this pops up. So you have a clock style, you have panels, display size, font size, and app behavior, and we're just gonna go through it a little bit. So we can choose different clocks here. So this looks pretty fancy. We're gonna choose this one, and now if we close the phone, let's see, this is what it looks like. And then when we open the phone again, and then we can go to panels and say what it's supposed to like show: camera, communication, weather, agenda. Then you can also hold and drag to rearrange, so you can click on communication and then pull them somewhere you want them to be. Then you can customize the display size. You can say internal, so it looks like you're in the phone, or external. So this is on default now, but you can also say small. Then you can also say font size. This is just the size of the text. And you can click on app behavior. So some apps require permission in order for the app to open on the external display. Click on the app below to grant permission and access advanced capabilities. Granting permission does not automatically add the app to your external display. And now when we close the phone, this pops up again. And when we then scroll to the side, we can put in our pin here, and then we can see the time and some added apps, and we can manage some more panels here. We have the dial pad, and we have the camera, so we can actually like take photos, which is crazy. You can also set some like settings here. You can then go back on the little screen there and like use the other things. So this is actually like a really fancy tool. I don't know how like useful it is in your day-to-day life. You can also, I think, unlock here with your fingerprint, as you just saw. So that's how you can customize your little external screen on your Motorola Razr. You can just look through it, customize it all a little bit more, so that it works as you like. So that's how you can customize the little external screen on your Motorola Razr. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.